YouTube, YouTube, what's going on? And 안녕하세요. It's your dude Heat Ledger, aka Heaty, Tahiti, Fahiti, Skahiti. Back at it again, don't know why I keep saying that. With another video. This time we have a pickup, a shoe that I got last week, and I got it for under retail. Now what's interesting is that this shoe is technically being resold, so it was a huge deal for me to get it for under retail. It's just someone that was trying to get rid of it. I sent them an offer. This was through Kijiji, just kind of like a local classified situation. And yeah, I met them, 100% authentic, and super stoked for this one. So we're gonna get into the whole top down, I'll get more detailed into the actual shoe itself. But before we start, did want to talk a little bit about my current situation. Actually, hang on. I've been putting out 2 videos a week. So far, so good. We're on week 2. And what really helps is if you just hit that thumbs up. Because if you give me a thumbs up and you comment, kind of helps with some sort of like YouTube algorithm so that they kind of see that people might be interested in this. So even if you're remotely interested, maybe consider doing that. And also, again, thank you for watching, taking the time out of your day. But wait, don't leave the video yet, because I got a very special surprise. All I'm gonna say is for people that are still wondering what this shoe is, I'll say one thing. The Rock is in the building. I promise to never say that again. You guys can barely see it, yep. Totally not. Can't really see it on camera. You don't even know what I'm holding right now. This is the Air Force One Rockefeller. All right, this shoe came out in 2019, so like a year and a half ago. I think it was November 2017, and it retailed for 200 beans. I got it for 180 bucks, Canadian. So, backstory, past couple of videos, we talked a little bit about Yeezy, we talked a little about the Jordan 1s. I explained, okay, there's a lot of things trending in the whole sneaker world right now. If you go outside and you just start noticing what people have on their feet, you go to your high school, your college, whatever, there's a lot of people wearing their Jordan 1s, a lot of people wearing their Yeezys, there's this and that, which is great. Off-whites, you know, everyone wants their off-whites. But a big thing trending right now is the Air Force One silhouette. Crazy, especially as we get into like spring, summer, and like typically spring, summer, people want to wear white. There's the one time you wear white. You don't really wear white in the winter, you know, it's slushy, snowy, it's dark, it's right. But you wear white in the summer, in the spring. That's just kind of how the whole cycle works. Air Force Ones starting to trend, right? So everyone's starting to wear their Air Force Ones. So personally, as a hype beast, obviously, I was like, okay, I want to get a pair of Air Force Ones for summer, you know? And I'm like, okay, I can buy the regular Air Force Ones, and you guys all know the material on that. It's kind of like this plasticky, like not real leather, but looks like leather. Forgot to do a smell test on these. These actually don't smell like anything. Because they've been, I guess he's like, probably, I don't know. They're not worn. They're absolutely dead stock, but they just don't smell like very fresh or whatever. So the Air Force One trending, and I'm like, okay, I know I want to buy a pair of Air Forces, but the thing about these, and I'm going to show you guys in like literally the next 20 seconds, premium materials. So you're getting this like super buttery, tumbled leather on this shoe, but it looks down, like 99% of it is a regular Air Force One low that you see anyone else wear. Obviously, the couple details, you know, the Rockefeller in the back. There's an insole which I'll show you, which has the Rockefeller like record inside, and then on the tongue, which is also very dope. Usually there's like it just says like Nike Air Force or whatever, but this has the Rockefeller logo again. And I'll show you on the other shoe too. It's exactly the same. It's not really any point. I don't have to show you, but it's like same sort of. And then the other thing I noticed is that the inside is actually this plush. It's almost like it's like a support. It's very cushiony. I'm actually kind of drunk right now. Not because I've been drinking today, but last night we drank. I drank a lot, and I would say I'm still legally drunk right now. So I'm in that, like, you know, I'm in that stage where I'm basically I'm transitioning from drunk to hungover at the same time. So I don't feel that great, but I knew I had to put out another video. So here we go. Let's get into the point of view Air Force One Rockefeller. Alright folks, here we go. Look at the leather already. Insane. So probably a lot of you guys have this, but yeah, basically I got these. So the retail is $200 Canadian for these. Like I said, I got these for $180, and I was a little scared at first because I was like, oh, like, you know, are these fake or whatever? And I wasn't aware of any fakes out there of this shoe in particular, because it's not really going for a lot, but it definitely isn't going for retail as far as I'm aware. So I was a little bit apprehensive, but I'm pretty good at legit checking, even if I'm not familiar with the shoe, because it's just things you can look at, just stitching and like glue marks and just like the overall build of the shoe once you have it in hand. So I kind of did that, and the guy that sold to me was pretty legit, he seemed, I guess. So I'm not concerned about that, but you guys can let me know. But yeah, the leather quality, like look at this. Like that is just like, once you can do that on a shoe, and you can do that on some Jordan 1s. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah. So let me just grab like a pair of Breads. Look at that. Yeah. Look at the leather quality on the toe box. It's similar, right? I just love that everyone, not just me, loves that plush leather. But yeah, I mean, super simple, and then boom. And then, oh yeah, and then that's the insole too. So you kind of have these very subtle hits. Anyway, I'm a big Jay-Z fan since a kid. You know, everyone's a big Jay-Z fan. So I was like, this is definitely a cool shoe to have in the collection. Especially if I was gonna, like, you know, I could pay like $120 or whatever, or $130 for like a regular Air Force. Or I was like, man, for an extra 60 bucks, like I can pick this, I could pick up the Rockefeller one. What do you guys think? I'm not even thinking of maybe swapping out the laces and putting on like a leather lace or something, just kind of elevating it a little bit. Damn, it's nice. That leather, man. It's cool. Just nerding out right now. And then here's the collar. Super plush. It's like a booty. So yeah, that's it. Air Force One Rockefeller, new pickup. Really appreciate you guys watching. Of course, hit that thumbs up, like, comment, share, show your friends. Stay tuned for another video coming later this week. Really appreciate you guys watching. Dude, Heat signing out. Peace.